back out. Now, the driver's side did not have this. There's a little brace in here. I don't know. And the driver's side was in better shape. So I don't know what the deal is with that. I thought, I don't even know what I thought. I don't even want to try and lie. But then the new one even has it. But the driver's side did not. Is that something to do with Camaros I don't know about? I mean, I ain't gonna lie. Not like, well, I have done this before, but it was 20 years ago. Anyways, got to go through and clean it all up and start doing test fit, get some primer on it, and yeah, we'll be moving along. This was, where'd that piece go? Where'd my Bondo go? Where did my Bondo go? Oh, right here. This was, yeah, what kind of freaking, that was right here. So, I mean, somebody attempted to make it pretty. I'm not going to say they attempted to make it nice. They just attempted to make it pretty. But we're going to be cutting all that out anyway. So, and then the damn rocker was actually spot welded here where it wasn't on the other side. It is now on the other side because I did that, but I don't know. I don't get it. I got to straighten that up because I got a little carried away and got a little tug happy. So, we're going to back to cleaning. I don't think I'm going to show you guys that. I mean, normal, dirty, nasty stuff. But, yeah, we'll be back here in a minute. Got the inside primed, most of the way dry. All of that primed, cleaned up. And I think I'm ready to start fitting. See if we can't get it up in there. And I'm actually ready, so if I actually get it up in there, I don't have to take it back out because I already did all the prep work. Well, that means I'm like a step ahead or something. That's something will go wrong. It always does. Okay, now I'm ready. I started doing it again, but realized I did forget something. All my holes for my spot welds. I would have had to take it back out again. I just got done saying I wasn't going to have to. But anyways, so I've got this air punch flange tool. I use it both sides. The flanges and the punch. And what I do, the punches don't come out very big. You can't really see it. They're kind of small. So I go through and I punched all the holes, and then I come back with a step bit, and I go 2 steps on this. I don't even look to see what size, how big it is, but that's what I come up with. It seems to be a pretty decent size for being able to get in and make sure I'm getting contact for both pieces. And this spot weld cutter kit, got it on Amazon. It seems to be the best one I've had yet. That's spring loaded, but it's a lot better than the other one I got. So now we're gonna try to make some progress. Crap. Got another piece. Obviously, it's not quite where it goes yet. My poor man's Ecos. Let's go. That was hot. Leave that loose for now. It'll at least hold it up. Here, see if they can draw it up. Look at that. Looks like it catch me out. Still don't know where it needs to be though. Got that fire going too good. It's warm in here. Oh, you didn't see that. God dang it. I knew better than that too. Why I did it. Good question. Now I want to go back up. Don't do that again. like it should. Sucks to you guys probably can't even see what I'm doing. I'm trying to get this thing up where it should. Whatever. It's not wanting. This one didn't want to go in quite as easy. But where I had it the first time, it was too far forward. I had to come back, and this piece back in here, I had to beat that back because it was too far forward. It was stopping me. And we'll get to that strap here in a minute. But I got the front screwed in, my redneck Plecos, all clamped along the bottom. Yeah, I know we're missing a little bit here, but the other one was kind of goofy. The other side is too. So it's the bottom side of the car. You're only going to see it when it does wheelies. I said what I said. Everything else is fitting good here. Now, yes, that is a strap where they washer welded in my brand new rocker. It wouldn't come up into here. It's like the rocker was compressing, and you know, I can't go up from the bottom and push it up. So I actually had it welded on this side, and I went to the lift and it pulled the inside up, and I had it all clamped, and then I went to the outside and went to that, and it pulled this part up into here and got it fitting real good. Nothing's welded yet. It is all held in with self-tappers and clamps. But yeah, that worked out. I can grind all that down. It'll just be maybe a low spot, maybe a high spot. It depends on how good I do it. Anyways, that is it. I need to go back and look. This one came from Auto Metal Direct. But no. Oh, I already burned the box. Anyways, I don't think the passenger side and driver side were the same brand. I don't remember. If they were, it is what it is. I know there's variations on stampings. But this one has the holes for the sill plate. I don't think the other one does. Yeah, this one doesn't. So, but in the end, I mean, if it works, it works. Probably gonna get some shit over this. Yes, there's supposed to be a seam right there. I didn't like the way it looked. I didn't want to try to recreate it. It's so low on the car, you're not gonna really see it. So I think I am literally going to just blend it. It is going to be just a seamless look. All you purists out there can kiss my butt. It is what it is. But that's where we're at. I'm gonna get to welding, and I'm gonna try to get that done tonight too. I got 3 hours left. 2.5. We might get to that. But anyways, tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so I know I'm not going to be out here tomorrow. Friday, I'll be back out here, try to get some more done. I'm not too far from actually having this thing ready to start putting the front clip under it and get the frame connectors in, which I am anxious but nervous on doing. Firewall, I'll worry about that once I get the running gear back under and get it rolling. But yeah, that's a rocker panel. Till next time.